All right, so we can also find present value for continuously compounded interest, right? So we had the formula that A is equal to P e to the RT. Now, if we rearrange that by just dividing both sides by e to the RT, right? Those cancel, and we end up with the formula that A is, or sorry, not A, P, right? So we solve for P. P is equal to A over e to the RT, which we can rewrite as P is equal to A e to the minus RT. All right. So this is one you want to remember. This is the formula for the present value for continuously compounded interest. Okay, so it's very similar. We have the same negative exponent here. All right, so again, if we want to know how much we should invest now to have some amount in the future, we can use this formula. So let's take a look at example 7. Find the present value of $40,000 due in 5 years at an interest rate of 7.5%, compounded continuously. Okay, so our future value is $40,000, right? So because $40,000 is due in 5 years, that's how much we'll have at the end. So this is our future value, $40,000 due in 5 years. So T is equal to 5, right? And the interest rate is equal to 0.075. All right, so now we have everything we need to figure out what the present value is of that investment. So P is equal to $40,000 times e to the minus 5 times 0.075. Okay, so we need to multiply both of those things. Oops. Let's leave it like that. So it's minus 5 times 0.075. Okay, that's something we can put into our calculator. And what do we get? We get $24,491.57. Okay, so that's pretty good. That's a pretty good deal. 5 years, we can turn $24,491.57 into $40,000 by doing basically nothing, just leaving the money in an account. Now, you have to find an account that earns 7.5%, which these days, it's going to be hard to do. So, but that's the beauty of compound interest. We can just let the money do the work for us, right? So we want to earn compound interest. We don't want to pay it if we can avoid that. And just like Albert Einstein said. All right, so that takes us to the discussion questions. And so you might want to look ahead at those. There's not too many of them. And I'll meet you in class.